Kauai. Here's our COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Friday, November 20th. Happy Aloha Friday. As of Friday morning, we have 5 new on-island cases to report. 1 case was discovered during Sunday surge testing in Kauai. The cases are 3 visitors and 2 residents. 4 are travel-related cases and 1 appears to be community-acquired. One of these travelers took a pre-travel test but did not receive the positive test results until after arrival. This brings our number of active cases to 16 with 104 cumulative cases. Kauai's cumulative case count includes 92 confirmed locally, 1 probable, and 11 positive cases diagnosed elsewhere since they had tests taken on the mainland but did not receive their positive results until after arrival. There are now 95 individuals in Health Department directed quarantine, and that number may grow as case investigations continue. We currently have 2 cases in the hospital and all are in isolation. The Kauai Police Department and the National Guard are tracking approximately 1,700 individuals in travel-related quarantine. For additional information on our COVID cases, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19. In view of the increasing case numbers, our Kauai Emergency Management Team proposed rules to the Governor. We are pleased that Governor Ige took one of our proposals and applied it statewide. Governor Ige announced yesterday that effective November 24th, travelers who wish to avoid quarantine must have their pre-travel test results uploaded to the Safe Travels website prior to flying. Anyone who flies without a negative test result must enter a full 14-day quarantine on arrival. If implemented correctly, this initiative will fix a gap in the current Safe Travels program. Our second request to the Governor proposes mandatory post-travel testing for travelers at least 3 days after arrival, with a mandatory quarantine until a second test can be confirmed. The Governor is still considering that rule. Meanwhile, we are obtaining the resources required to carry out that level of testing should he honor our request. If our request is denied, we're considering other protective measures we could propose. One thing we know for sure, the state's Safe Travels pre-testing program does not provide the level of protection we need on Kauai. We continue to seek the Governor's authority to implement additional measures at the county level to bolster the state's program and address our island's unique needs. In addition to travel-related testing programs, the County of Kauai, in partnership with the Hawaii State Department of Health, is providing free COVID-19 community testing at rotating sites every Sunday through the end of the year. Last Sunday, November 15th, we tested 413 residents at our Kauai site, which resulted in 2 positives. Earlier this month, we tested 194 people at Vidina Stadium, which also resulted in 2 positive cases. These tests are targeted for those who work closely with visitors, but tests are available to all residents for free, including those who are uninsured. The next 2 testing sites will be this Sunday, November 22nd at Hanapepe Stadium and November 29th back at Vidina Stadium. Testing is available every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. through December 27th. Participants should register in advance at kauai.gov/test. Bring your registration confirmation and an ID to the testing site. Test results are expected in 3 to 5 days. Save at least 15 minutes of wait time by pre-registering at kauai.gov/test. Folks, if you are experiencing symptoms and have health insurance, please contact your physician immediately. Do not wait for surge testing to be tested. If you receive a positive test result, please call the Department of Health to notify them. As an important reminder, these tests are not part of the state's pre-travel testing program and cannot be used for quarantine exemptions. For those who are visiting or recently returned home from mainland travel, post-travel testing is available on a voluntary basis. This program is free for residents. Please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on one of the post-travel testing buttons. To qualify for a post-travel test, you must have participated in the state's pre-travel test program. If you have not participated in the state's pre-travel testing program, there is no option to test out of quarantine once you arrive. Again, for more information on the county's post-travel testing program, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the post-travel test button. In observance of Thanksgiving Day, County of Kauai offices will be closed on November 26, along with all refuse transfer stations and the Kekaha landfill, the Kapa'a and Waimea swimming pools, Hanapepe Sunshine Market, High Five Bottle Redemption, and Puhi Metals Recycling Center will be closed. However, the schedule for residential refuse pickup will remain unchanged. Normal business hours for county offices and services will resume on Friday, November 27th. Kauai Bus will not be operating on Thanksgiving Day, November 26th, and Christmas Day, December 25th. The Kauai Bus will operate normally on January 1st, 2021 for New Year's Day. For the most up-to-date information on bus transportation, please call the Kauai Bus at 246-8110 or visit the Transportation Agency's website at kauai.gov/transportation. The Festival of Hope for Families will offer food distribution and other services to families impacted by COVID-19 from 9 to 11 a.m. on Saturday, November 21st at the Crossroads Christian Fellowship located on the south end of the Kapa'a Bypass Road. The festival is a partnership of Child and Family Service, General Contractors Association, Crossroads Christian Fellowship, Lili'uokalani Trust, McKinney-Vento Homeless Assistance Act, Hawaii Savin, Statewide Safety Systems, and other community partners. It's a drive-through event. You must register in advance at childandfamilyservice.org/festival. Due to the increase in cases, the County of Kauai has canceled its Kauai Made Holiday Fair on Saturday, November 21st at Puhi Park. The weekly Grove Farm Puhi Park Produce Market, which occurs separately from the fair, will continue as scheduled. The county and the two Kauai food banks are conducting the Kupa'a Kauai food distribution every week through the end of the year for food insecure individuals and families. Households can pick up food once per week but must pre-register. Registration starts on Saturdays for the next week, and you're asked to register at least 48 hours before the distribution. Please be sure your email is correct. To register or for distribution times and locations, please visit kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the green button that says Food Distribution. There will be no distribution on Thanksgiving Day, November 26. We thank you for understanding the role you play in mitigating the spread of COVID-19 on our island. Please continue to stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, maintain a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask, if at all possible for you to do so. Remember, my mask protects you and your mask protects me. It's a sign of respect and aloha. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Be kind, take care of one another, God bless, and aloha.